Savage Stone Age. New from Stone Age Tools comes a brand new set of Stone Age tools. Yes, it's the all-purpose Stone Age tool set for all those Stone Age tasks that need doing around the cave. Including sharp stone, useful for cutting. And sharp stone, good for slicing. Plus sharp stone, for chopping. And now, introducing bluntstone, great for hammering. And that's not all, because order today and get this sharp stone absolutely free. Be the sharpest tool in the box. Buy the all-purpose Stone Age tool set today. Warning, sharp stone is sharp and can cause injury. Ah! Sharp stones and blunt stones.
Horrible Histories.